Go.
I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go now. I wanna go. I wanna go. I wanna go. Oh, that was just hard.
See, he want to go home so he can get him some food, so he can stop looking at my refrigerator and acting like he cool. But I'm gonna tell you what's going on. The time is real. I got so many skills. I had to fight Evander Holyfield, but
Alright, yeah.
we're not gonna put that on YouTube. We gotta start that over.
You gotta catch the bus tomorrow.
He said, "Why? Stop the bus."
No, I'm talking to you.
I know.
You gotta catch the city line.
She said, "You better stop."